And then the currencies cable off the low, I've got 3 up. I'm looking for a 4, 5 to complete the A wave, the wave 1 rather, of the C wave up of the 2. So if we start to get the pullback and it holds the retrace levels, that gives you another long entry for the 3, 4, 5 in cable to the upside. Euro has pushed up a little bit this morning and then reversed. I think we've got the A wave of this 4 in, although we did just about tag the 50% retrace. It's finishing in a diagonal, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th down, and that's the mirror opposite of what we're looking for in the DXY. So the DXY has come down, tagged the 764, reversed. I'm looking for it to push up 97.55 next in the DXY. Having said that, this can all be an A down. It does look quite impulsive. We get a deep B and then a C to actually hit the fib or one of the lower ones and then up. But I don't think we're done to the upside in the dollar, and I don't think we're done yet to the downside in the euro. US dollar, Japanese yen this morning, it's just consolidating here. I'm looking for that push up still, 115.04. Then the Australian dollar, we've got, I can count this now as a 5-wave move off the low, where we've got a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, or even this is the 3, we get another 4, 5. So it's possible the 2 is in over here. Let this complete, and I'm watching the move back down. If it hits and holds a fib and starts to bounce, then I'm going to go long the Australian dollar.